We offered an experimental workshop this year for the first time. There was an Agora Faculty Fellowship grant, and with that grant money we were able to buy a handful of 360 cameras and some viewing equipment. The purpose of the grant is to produce this public service announcement in conjunction with the Pacific Rivers Council, and then to test the effectiveness of 360 video. As a second layer, we were able to add a class so that our students would also get the benefit of the grant. So their students are getting the chance to help with the production of the PSA. They're getting to get their hands on the equipment. So I think the most fun aspect of this class was experiential learning. I definitely am planning to incorporate that into my classes a lot more going forward, just that chance to get out there and work together. We chose an interesting topic. It was around lumber practices and clear cuts, and so we were able to go out into a clear cut and shoot some interesting footage.
Please work. Can you see me?
So we sent students out in groups of 2 and 3 and sort of dropped them off all over the side of this mountain, shooting different sections of the woods. And then we all came back together after we were sort of done shooting and had an amazing lunch on the side of the mountain, and flew the drone, and it was just a great experience. I've been teaching myself the software, but we also had Rachel Bracker, who was one of our recent graduates. She's been working at 360 Labs, and she's really up to date on the software, and she helped give a really great demonstration. I think the students got a lot of really great relevant training around software as well. I think we are just on the cusp of 360 video really taking off. We're seeing some really interesting early examples that are out there from the New York Times and many other places. So certainly it's a great opportunity for our students to be ahead of the curve, and I would argue that it's one of the most relevant things that we could be teaching right now.